Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Craves. Today we are going to make a tangy lemon rice. This lemon rice tastes great when paired with a potato stir fry and some crispy papadums. Before getting into the video, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Heat a pan. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard. Once the mustard starts to splutter, add 1/2 tablespoon of Chana dahl. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of urad dahl. Make sure to soak both the dahl in water for 10 minutes and strain all the water before cooking. Then add 2 tablespoons of peanuts. You can add some cashew nuts too if you like. Then add some curry leaves. Next, 1 small green chilli cut into 2. Then 2 dried red chillies. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger paste. Next, add in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Now add 1½ tablespoon of lime juice. This is around 2 medium-sized lime. Here I have 1 plate full, or 2 cups of cooked white rice. Add them in and mix well. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and turn off the flame. If you taste the lemon rice at this stage, it will be quite sour. Leave for 15 to 30 minutes for all the flavor to set. After 30 minutes, the lemon rice is ready to be served. Serve this with some potato stir fry and papadums. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to Cooking Craves. Do check out our other recipes.